Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When you're in a relationship, there are compromises to be made on both sides. It can be on anything. Nobody has their own way. When David and I moved in together, there was a packaged food that I had to let go because he couldn't stand it. Well, I didn't let it go completely because I made my own version of it. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Hamburger Helper Copycat. Using only fresh ingredients, this is a much healthier meal than the prepackaged one. Very quick and easy, this is a tasty dish to enjoy on weeknights. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add the ground beef and break it down into small pieces. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Before it's fully cooked, we'll add the onions and saute until soft, about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add ketchup, tomato paste. Now, if there's any left over, check out this great kitchen tip by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add prepared mustard, hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Cholula here. Then taco seasoning, which I'm using my homemade blend. So, to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll reseason again with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a good stir so the ingredients are well mixed before adding uncooked macaroni and beef broth. We'll stir very well again and bring the mixture to a boil. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and simmer for 15 minutes or until the macaroni is cooked. When time is up, we'll uncover and add sour cream. We'll stir well before adding sharp cheddar cheese. And once again, we'll stir until the cheese is well blended. Now, as I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Mine needed just a little bit more hot sauce. And obviously, if we add something, we'll have to stir. Just before serving, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. It's good for you. And my friends, this is our Hamburger Helper Copycat. This flavorful dish is a great comfort food. It takes less than 30 minutes and everything is cooked in one pot. So if you like me and always enjoyed it, now you can make a healthier and tastier version at home from scratch. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!